I can't find a good song for this video. Fa la 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 la. Wait, no, wait. Okay. Okay. New update for BFBB. Stop recording. Check your charger connection. I just got a screen that says, check your charger connection. Yep, I got it again. Is it still loading? Because I need to get my obby. Okay, stop giving me this message. Okay, what is going on? This video. Okay.
I'm engineer. Don't kill me, man. Are you serious? I saw him shake. I saw you feet. Wait, I can protect someone.
Okay, it might be vertical now. Rotate your screen. Go to like drop, put your phone down for a second, and put it down, and then go to the angle where it's correct. If it's like sideways. And this is kind of uncomfortable. Check my dang charger connection. It's not recording, right? Okay, it's still recording. I might upgrade to just the normal extra critter. Because I only use extra critter light.
Are you? Wait.
Okay. I'm going to do the fire
So if I could
ones.
text a guardian, if I could text someone as a guardian angel, do they stay alive forever? Like, well, not forever, but like.
So, moving parts. Baseball. Check your. Oh my! Copy these properties. So it's a pitch black ball. Fire, 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 fire. I want to get this air fryer. Air fryer. Heat one. So it's like almost invisible. And like
You
not.
can't wait anymore. I fly away.
Huh? Oh, there it is. So. I need this hex code. Select all and copy. Here, delete this hex code. Paste this hex code in. There we go.
Wait a second. Since I'm dead. Are you serious? I was about to say something
Heat
and I
9.
just disconnected.
So this is heat 1. We want this at heat 9. I'm gonna get this at heat level 9. So, elephant's foot is finished. That's it. That was me making elephant's foot. I hope you enjoyed.